Grocery store location 1. In our field trip, we will be stopping at 3 different locations, and the first one we'll be stopping it will be at a grocery store. What we're doing right now is we are creating a grocery store list. For this list, there's certain categories that you have to choose items for. In the doc, here is the different categories that you will be looking to find items and prices for at the grocery store. So the list we have here, the grocery list, fresh vegetables. As we see here, here's the category. You have to choose 2 from each of these categories. Now I think we go all the way down to theme meals. But before that, there's 16 categories and you have to choose 2 items from each category. So today in class, you'll be choosing those 2 items. Write it on your Word doc here. Then when we go on the field trip, you'll be taking this list with you to help you find the price of these different items. The amount, you have to write down the item, and then at the grocery store, you'd have to write down the price of how much it is. Once you have completed this at the grocery store, then you will find out what would be the total that you would pay, and we're going to say this is amount of groceries for a month. What would be the total that you would pay throughout an entire month for groceries. The amount you get here will now go onto your monthly expense report and now will become your new grocery bill. So it's up to you on what items you're going to choose from each category. It does have to be items from this category though for sure. But just kind of depends on you, on how cheap you want to go, how healthy you want it to be. It's completely up to you. So on our field trip, location 1, grocery store. Choose 2 items from different categories, recorded here. Once we get to the grocery store, you need to locate the item, write down the price, and then get the total. And now this new total will be your new grocery store amount for your monthly expense report.